how to download apps on your Apple Watch. So this is my iPhone as well, but first we are going to go with the Apple Watch and follow that procedure, and then I'll also show you how to do it with the iPhone. So this is my Apple Watch. On the left side, you can see we have a crown and a side key. So I'm just going to click the crown so that I am in the app drawer of the iWatch. If I scroll down, I can see an app store, the same icon as we see on the MacBooks and our iPhones. So go to the app store. In app store, we have a search bar right on top. To scroll, you can just use the crown. So just scroll up. So as you can see, these are the apps that are available. So fish in a watch. So if you want, you can get that. That is a paid, but you also have a free application like Pine. If not, you can just look applications with the search, or great apps updated for watchOS 26. So these are just some apps that Apple is pushing themselves, right? So you can also scroll with the finger as well. So let's say I want to download the water tracker by Waterminder. This is not a paid sponsorship, I'm just downloading it. But if you want to sponsor it, please do reach out. So if I click on get, I'll have to put in my passcode. So I'll turn on passcode, put in the passcode. Once I've put in my passcode, because for now I've put in a very easy passcode which is going to be 0000, but I'm going to use it anyway, and it says re-enter passcode so that I can download the app. Now every time I download any other app, it's going to just ask me to put in the passcode and then I can just download it. Before this, I had not actually set the passcode, and that is why we had to actually set it in this case. So if I go to the app drawer again, if I scroll down, now we've done all that. Double click the side key to install, and it says processing. Now it's going to start the download and installation process. So as you can see, it's downloading. Let's wait. Now that I've downloaded the application, I can click on open, and you can see the app is downloaded. I can just set up the application, and that is about it. Again, to view the application, I can just click the crown and look up Waterminder, that is the application I downloaded, and open it up. So that is about it. But if I go to my phone, let's say I download WhatsApp. So there is no WhatsApp on this phone. I search WhatsApp. So once I've searched and downloaded WhatsApp, it's going to actually download on my phone as well as the Apple Watch. So let's see how it works out. I'm going to hit open. So it's downloaded, as you can see here as well. But I'm going to go to the app drawer of the Apple Watch and then scroll down. So as you can see, WhatsApp has also shown up on the Apple Watch. Because the application supports Apple Watch as well as iPhone, and to sync it, it's going to actually download the application directly on your Apple Watch as soon as you download it on your iPhone as well. I think it's very convenient. Some people may find it annoying, but that's how it's done. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.